Welcome back to Gears and Wheels. Today, we're diving into the bold and refined exterior of the 2025 Range Rover. Known for its luxury and off-road capability, the latest model takes sophistication to the next level. Let's break down its stunning design and new features. Exterior design. The 2025 Range Rover retains its iconic yet modern styling with a cleaner, more aerodynamic look. The sleek, flush-mounted door handles and smooth body lines enhance its premium feel. Up front, a redesigned grille and slimmer LED headlights give it a more aggressive and futuristic appearance. The signature floating roof and sharp rear LED taillights maintain the classic Range Rover DNA. Lighting and wheels. Matrix LED headlights with adaptive technology provide superior visibility. At the rear, hidden until lit taillights add to the minimalist, high-tech aesthetic. The SUV rides on new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 21 to 23 inches, with a variety of finishes to match different trims. Paint and customization. Range Rover offers a new palette of colors, including deep metallics and satin finishes. The SV Bespoke program allows further customization, from two-tone roof options to unique exterior details. Aerodynamics and build. Engineered for both luxury and efficiency, the 2025 model features a drag-reducing design, helping with fuel economy and performance. The aluminum-intensive body keeps it lightweight yet strong, improving both ride quality and durability. Final thoughts. The 2025 Range Rover continues to set the benchmark for luxury SUVs with its refined, high-tech exterior. Whether cruising through the city or exploring rugged terrain, it commands attention. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching Gears and Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car content. See you in the next one.